The One Funnel Away Challenge. It's a 30-day challenge to take you from zero to profitable in your business or take your business to the next level if you've already an owner. Another common question. Okay, so how can the One Funnel Away Challenge help me? Hi everyone, it's Ed from Prosper Path. With the One Funnel Away Challenge, a lot of people have been asking, what can it do for me? Well, the answer depends on where you're at in your journey to ultimate success. Stay tuned to the end because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some awesome bonuses for you when you signed up for the One Away Challenge. So getting into that, for some of you, you're in a job that you hate and you're trying to get out. For others, you're entrepreneurs with your own company, but you're stuck and you're not sure why. And for other of you, you're looking for that one funnel that will help you have more impact on the world. Generally speaking, if you're not happy with your current job and you're looking for something more for whatever reason, or you're already a business owner looking to improve your business, then it can help you. It works in both situations. When I went first through the training, I didn't even have a product. And if you're an affiliate marketer like I am, you don't even need a product. You use somebody else's product. And so with anything that's different or new, you need to see if you're in a place where it fits your needs right now. But you need to guard your mind. What goes in from well-meaning friends and family, they may discourage you from starting a business or doing something you think that may improve your life or business. And not only that, you need to watch the self-talk too, so-called the chattering monkeys in your mind that tell you you can't do that, it's too hard, or it's too much work. It's the self-limiting talk that damages people and keeps them from moving out of their comfort zone to success. There is no way to be successful without getting out of your comfort zone. There's no way around it. And so don't listen to naysayers, including the chattering monkeys in your own head that try to rationalize a reason not to do something. It is a 30-day challenge, so it does take work. So if you're a person that's not willing to put in time and effort for an entire month to improving your life, then basically this challenge probably can't help you. In fact, there's probably three types of people that this challenge won't help. The first, which I just mentioned, are the ones looking to win the lottery, the get rich quick, or the without time or effort. The second is the know-it-all kind, who thinks they know everything and spend all their time putting other ideas down that don't fit or they know or challenge their own worldview. And last, the ones who are just unhappy with their life. And instead of building themselves up, they like to tear others down. These are toxic people to avoid at all costs, and if you can't get them out of your life, like family, then just shrug off their negativity. Now, I did a walkthrough of what the One Funnel Away Challenge consists of in this video, so check out for more of that. But so who can it help? Like I said, those willing to do what it takes to become successful. It is a 30-day challenge. It is the brainchild of Russell Brunson. He's a master marketer and a businessman, where he asked one day, if I lost everything, what would I do to save myself? He asked this question also to 30 self-made millionaires who use ClickFunnels. It's the software, the platform that in this program used. So the result of that question gave rise to the book 30days.com. It's a book where 30 of these people show how and what they would do for 30 days to become successful if they started from scratch. It's 30 millionaires from different businesses, from brick and mortar, from online businesses, coaching, fitness, to nonprofit, to even affiliate marketing. So you don't need a lot of money to get it started. In fact, you only need $100, the cost of the course. You do need access to ClickFunnels, but there's no worries there since it comes with a 2-week free trial, and you don't need to start using ClickFunnels until the 3rd week. So if all you have to your name is $100 bill, then that's what you need to get started. What you learn, however, is invaluable. You get the 30days.com book, you get the workbook, you get the lessons from the masters each day, you get access to live training and coaching each week. So you can obviously see the value you achieve is almost invaluable. And at the end, you will be blown away how much you gain, because you can't believe he only charges $100 for this. And if you're actually wondering why it's only $100, then watch my video here. And if you want to know what's involved in the course, then click here. So, okay, so click on the link below to get the challenge, and I'll throw in these 3 bonuses for you. The first is the 7 products in a week book, and this workbook is for people who are looking for inspiration or products to sell online, or be able to create an awesome product that sells quickly so you can quickly profit in business and be able to achieve your financial goals and enjoy more freedom. Second is an instructional course for your first website. For those who don't know where to start, this is a tool to help you get started online. Also, I included 3 more bonuses to help you with your success and mindset. The first is an ebook, As a Man Thinketh. It's a great read and a short read, and it's recommended by Tony Robbins for everyone to help move forward in their life. Second is a Home Business Legalities book and course that will help anyone start a new business, doing all the necessary legal steps that it takes, and makes that a snap. And third is the Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a mind-blowing book on the difference between mindset between employees and business owners, and how to achieve that successful business owner mindset. So to get all these great bonuses, just use my link below to click for the One Funnel Way Challenge to unlock them. So anyway, I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay in the loop, and also comment down below. And I look forward to see you in the One Funnel Way Challenge. To your success, and I'll talk to you later.